Woo!
Hi!
Hi!
Hi everybody!
Tell where you're going next.
Next?
Next.
I'm going to
Run your dad's.
Yeah, my dad has died a few days ago. So he was in Gökova, Akbük. He has a wood hotel. So I need to complete my works here in Marmaris. I'm an electrician. So then I have to go there with my family. I have to be beside my family, and we'll be there, and we'll be waiting for the visitors, for the guests. Thank you. Bye bye.
I'll leave a link below to his new venture to take over from his dad, and we wish him all the best. And we're going. Measured up. A lot of trouble.
Yes.
Getting all that nice and firm. And now we have
Yes.
a bimini guy,
That would be good.
who also is going to become a first-time dad soon.
Yeah.
So this is more cheaper way.
That would be nice to have shade.
Yes, would.
Because I could imagine us sitting there.
Yes, it would be lovely.
Yes.
Long enough and longer.
Yes.
Long enough also.
That ladder that says no good.
Not good, not comfortable.
No.
If not comfortable.
Yeah.
One here.
Yeah.
One
Not necessary, that one.
I offer
He's going to make a brand new one.
I offer you for comfort to use this system, not make new.
Yes.
Yes, okay.
Please. Thank you.
And also,
Brian, if you're not needing brakes, he's quite happy to keep Boyd company. I'm quite happy to have him on the boat as long as he's keeping Boyd company and not in the way of the workmen.
Okay, great.
And you can always get yourself water, you know how to do that. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, while the workers are around, because one of them has got a bit of a cough.
Yep.
So we'll sanitise as well today.
Yeah. So, okay, this coastline getting their main window done. This is the old, what used to be in there.
yeah.
So tell us, Brian, what are you having done to coastline today?
Well, just all the coach roof hatches, all the plexiglass being replaced. They're originally Lumar, so we're just having a gentleman here from VS Marin replace just the plexiglass. So he takes the frames to his shop and it disassembles the frame, templates a new plexiglass, and then reassembles it, silicon and whatnot.
That's the cleanest I've ever seen your hatch.
Very, very clean, yes. And then while we're at it, we thought it would look a bit odd to not have this done, so we bit the bullet and decided to get a new, I don't know what it's called, I think it's the coach roof main windscreen, like in a car. And so
It's a big job.
Vedat here is squeezing our job in.
Ah.
Yeah.
Hey Vedad,
Yeah.
have you got a sec, please?
Sorry.
can I see you? I need your name on your t-shirt.
Yes.
V.S. Marin.
Yeah.
V.S. Marin, this is the man you talk to, Vedat?
Vedat, yeah.
Yeah, he's the man that's done all of the hatches on Coastline and including these big windows.
Yeah.
And this is the...
So, all you guys out there in YouTube world, Vedat, V.S. Marine in Mamaras, he's the guy to come to.
Thank you.
What Vedat is doing is he's just inserted this window, and you'll see it all bulging out.
Yeah.
We wait for it all to dry, and then we cut that off.
Yes.
And then we come back and we run the final bead around and seal it for sailing.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
And this is Hey Louie. Louie. Say good day.
Hello. Coming down to help?
We should go and get the others, shouldn't we?
Yep. They said they missed us.
Right. Is it coming off for you?
A little bit. Can you see any?
No, not floating in the water.
Oh no.
You might have done that bit.
I just can't think a bit.
Oh, it's brushing down the whole day. At least it's a beautiful day.
After a busy day of scrubbing the bottom of the boat, we are going out to Sunday dinner.
Sunday roast.
Sunday roast dinner with Sunday and Coastline. And Sunday roast dinner here costs us $4.50 Australian for 3-course meal.
You sure you requested that, Rick?
I did, but not for
What
you
did you
guys.
request?
Lots of gravy. Well, you guys know I love gravy.
Rick loves gravy.
It's swimming.
It is. It's a floater.
Oh my god, chicken. We've all got chicken.
Tonight.
Thank you.
Come on,
I've got that gross
so we can watch it tonight.
Okay.
Thank you.
Peas,
This
broccoli, carrots.
Oh, he gave
Hey,
me sauce.
Blue.
You must
Peas.
know.
There's no peas.
This is Lou.
This is a dinner, special dinner for you guys because you've got your
so
salt
you're
and
paying.
your davits.
Ah, so Ryan's shouting. Good stuff. No, look, peas.
So this is an exciting time right now.
We're just sitting at the table now.
Us three girls were holding our
Well,
hands.
and I just thought, oh, there's a heavy truck going by.
Ryan.
And then Brian over there says, "Don't worry, guys, it's an earthquake. Nothing above us head."
We're okay, just relax.
And then back here,
I think November.
Can I jump in at the end?
Lou was Lou and the Sunday crew, all these guys. They were all sitting at the table. I went to the bank to the ATM, and the ground shook for me. And it turns out that it was a 5.6 Richter scale earthquake.
5.6, baby! Woo!
Get off our video. Rick, Ryan, you should give Rick a kiss. That could have been your last.
And no, we felt the one in Albania. In Montenegro. We felt the one in Albania at Durrës. We felt the one in Durrës, which was a big one, but the ground really shook, and like it's surreal. You don't know what's going on.
Most importantly, no one was injured.
Brian,
have fingers.
we had Brian here at the table to help us girls who haven't done it. These guys, New Zealanders, know all about earthquakes, and we just said,
If I didn't know any better, I would say Brian was rehearsing a safety drill.
if I didn't know any better, I would say Rick was moving the earth from under my feet.
Choc gazelle.
I'll get your thumb out of the way.
When the moon
where's your
hits
head?
the sky like a big pizza pie, that's amore.
Could have spotted.
Where are we in Italy?
Apparently.
No,
It's quite beautiful, isn't it?
where are we?
It's a Turkish song.
Turkish. We're in Turkey.
It was a
Merhaba.
Turkish song. Oh, we don't know any Turkish songs. Where's your boat? Well, whose is this one over here?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
2 more have come.
8.
Oh my God! So I know another video I did where your boat was when we came home.
Yeah, you.
Which one's your? Well, so I am now. Whose is that one in front of us?
No.
I don't know that one. Is that the really nice one with sweet spreaders?
No.
Oh. Sure, that one's not our boat. I like that one. I told them that was the half-mast one.
That's the cat. That's you. That's Sunday. Coastline.
That's coastline.
There's the cat. And there's us.
Go down the end with an incline on.
Now the mystery remains. Does Salacia Star have their light on?
There's us here on the left. Then there's coastline. Then there's that other boat, the red flag. There's the Aussie cat.
We have to have it on, so I told you to put it on.
Oh yeah, we don't have one.
I told you to. Well, the answer was no, that we don't have it on, even though I directed the captain to put it on.
What are you talking about?
Nobody likes the other Gemini. They just want to look after themselves. And if you're having a bad day, they don't want to know about it because it's their day too.
Because they just need to cope with your own.
Yeah.
No, I just wanted to put sunscreen on. She got to hang over there for like just 2 minutes while I go drop the water off.
We were getting fine. Another fella just came by.
Nag.
Look, females just need to be more harder on the
Ryan,
on the males.
don't bury yourself any deeper.
You know why females take longer than males?
Yes, I do.
Because we shoot you.
You're in deep, son. Oh, good one.
The joy we shared with friends who cared. No,
No, no more nights. Okay. Okay, no more nights. Tomorrow night. Thank you, Brett.
Thank you, Lisa.
Thanks for having us aboard.
I hope you enjoyed your video.
Oh, I loved it. It's beautiful.
Good.
I love it.
Who hosted the dinner?
I did.
That's right. You
Well,
did.
coastline, Brian, but I made the mint sauce and the gravy.
Yes, you did make the mint sauce, and it was fabulous.
Thank you,
Lisa's mum. No, Ryan's going to deliver him back, is he not?
Oh no! That's right, go about it, go about it, $5. Oh, I got it! Yes! Oh, you always saw the food.
Yes, I got it on camera!
He nearly dunked his wife for your freaking glasses.
Alright, yeah, for the boys.
So how many glasses have gone in and not been salvaged?
Oh, that would have been the fourth set.
And the pay
I'm
down.
gonna hold it though.
Oh, you
I'm
wanna
gonna break it.
Oh, it's right there.
And Brittany would have justifiably been banging down on you on that, going,
Oh my god. Okay, including Brittany's Tony, I've broken about 6 pairs, dropped them in water, broken them, whatever.
6 pairs.
6, maybe 7, and most of them have been hers. And this is my last set of my Tonys. And you cannot put this on YouTube because she'll see this about a month's time and she'll be riding my neck on it.
So we won't tell her. We love you, Brett. We're going to keep this from you.
I love you, Brittany.
Good night, Coastline.
Alright, good night, guys. Thank you so much for saying my Tonys. Good night, Brittany. Thanks for that.
Take a step back, look around. Breathe in the air, let down your hair, just listen.
Yes, beautiful. 360
We have
for 2 frames, custom, is $75.
Yarım saat sonra. Ya duyuyorlar söyle.
You're interrupting my tooth watching video, over.
Roger that, but we have a burning question here. We need to know whether it's the Kiwi tooth fairy, the Australian tooth fairy, or the Turkish tooth fairy that'll come to Case tonight.
I heard that it's all the tooth fairies coming and they're all going to leave money, over.
In Case, you need to go to bed early so the tooth fairy, and go to sleep so the tooth fairy can come. Over.
I'm going to bed in 20 minutes, over.
Okay, roger that.